It's all about the connection.
Between you and the road,
You and the data, you and your team, your coach.
You and your breathing, you and your body.
Solos untethers you from the ground.
It lets you personalize the data you see and hear.
326 watts.
Keeping your eyes on the road, yourself in the moment.
Turn left.
Merging your metrics and surroundings. Human and machine.
Bringing together all the moving parts.
It's the bonding agent of all your data points.
From your glasses to your apps to your coach.
You can finally stay fully present.
No looking down.
No breaking stride.
No unsafe distractions.
You feel at one with the thing you love to do. Connected.
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 Know me better than I know myself. Been thinking about you, girl, I cannot help. You are the one and I don't need no one else. You know me better than I know myself.
I know you better than I know myself. And boy, you got me wrapped around your finger as well. But lately you've been thinking about yourself. 'Cause you know you can trust me, there is no one else. I just wanna be with you, baby.
She know me better than I know myself. You know me better than I know myself.
Meet SimCam Baby, an all-new baby monitor. It can monitor the temperature and humidity in real time. You don't need to worry when you are cooking or enjoying the breakfast. You can check on your baby with the HD live stream anywhere, anytime. SimCam Baby can detect baby's movement and alert you when she tries to climb out of the crib. It will also alert you when your baby is crying, then soothing her with a lovely lullaby before mom gets to her side. Sometimes you have to let her play alone. SimCam Baby can make your house baby-proof. Hey, little one, where are you going? You will receive alerts when she is getting close to dangerous zones. Always be there before the little one is going to get injured. SimCam Baby is not only about safety, it can automatically record a video whenever she smiles. Never miss a cute moment while you are away from home. You can share those moments on social media with a tap on the app. SimCam Baby cares about your baby's sleep as much as you do. Let's roll her back over. During the night, the camera keeps protecting her with full HD invisible night vision. This is SimCam Baby from SimShine.
Introducing Pollux Watch, the fitness activity tracker and smartwatch featuring artificial intelligence. Designed and engineered in Austria by Pollux, it comes in a lightweight aluminum waterproof case with damage-resistant glass and features AI tech, GPS, optical, and electrical heart rate sensors. For your convenience, we've also designed the AI Pollux app, which helps you monitor your weight and stay fit. The artificial intelligence calculates and analyzes your daily activity statistics, latest changes, and recommends improvements. You can select any workouts or Pollux Watch, which recognizes your sports activity and enables your records to automatically appear in the Pollux app. The heart rate monitor will determine your health trend goals and notify you in real time when you're in a fat burn, aerobic, or extreme zone so you can appropriately modify your workouts. The built-in GPS accurately records of your pace, distance, and other key stats whenever you move or train. Anytime, anywhere, change the Pollux bracelet or watch face to match your style. Get in the pool and start working out. The watch case is waterproof so you can swim up to 50 meters. Stay tuned even during your training. Receive alerts, calls, or push notifications. It's time to step up and step toward your goals. Whatever you do, our AI can help you achieve your goals. Our intuitive dashboard features your daily statistics, AI communications, alerts, goals, and progress tracking in one platform. Pollux Watch, the only fitness smartwatch you'll ever need.
Hi, Bali.
Power line with your elbows.
Goodbye, Bali.
Yeah, man. Goddamn, it's damn clear. I didn't expect it to be this clear.
Place your hand like that, just like this.
And I can hear music.
On and off is that? Yeah. And then light turns on. Okay. Yeah. Wow. That's very cool.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
Holy shit, that's really cool, man. That's how this works.
Incredible, I feel like James Bond.
Slideshow mode.
Use Go to Sleep every night to get a better night's rest and to improve your overall sleep health and lifestyle. Go to Sleep keeps a track of your blood oxygen saturation, heart rate, perfusion index, tossing and turning during your sleep, and you will get a whole night of sleep monitor to test the severity of your sleep apnea. It's the smallest home sleep test device on the market. It weighs only about 6 grams and looks like a capsule held in a soft silicone ring. The battery can last 3 whole nights, and the memory can record 7 nights sleep data.
9% of women and 24% of men suffer from sleep apnea. Unfortunately, over 80% go undiagnosed and untreated, and the condition really needs long-term management.
Go to Sleep provides continuous data instead of just the snapshots that clinical monitoring provides. By continuously collecting and mining your sleep data, the correlation of some chronic disease with your sleep quality can be revealed.
Subscribe and get the future today.
Use Go to Sleep every night to get a better night's rest and to improve your overall sleep health and lifestyle.
Over the past decade, we've been focusing on human posture and gait analysis to help top athletes improve their sports performance. Today, with SenoFit and your smartphone, you can analyze your posture, measure your gait, and then get a pair of custom insoles designed to fit you perfectly. You will fall in love with these insoles after your very first step. Whether standing, walking, or running, you will immediately feel the amazing comfort that these one-of-a-kind insoles provide. The difference is simply amazing.
I think it is amazing, yeah, and it is very cool.
We studied over 1.5 million pieces of data and found that without proper sole support, 80% of people will suffer from foot, back, and knee pain at some time in their life. Using the SenoFit app, we are able to analyze your posture, gait, and foot surface by measuring more than 380 parameters. From here, our technology allows us to identify future potential risks and improper movement patterns. Based on the data, we will design a pair of insoles that fit you perfectly. We've also developed the world's most advanced non-Newtonian fluid dynamics materials. Using these materials, we are able to customize the resilience and cushioning force to match your gait pattern and improve your posture. Traditionally, customized insoles to correct foot issues were expensive, often costing over $100 and required multiple doctor visits. We know that our system can help you relieve pain and walk effortlessly. We can deliver an affordable and ultra-comfortable pair of customized insoles made just for you. We hope our innovation will make your life happier and healthier. SenoFit, to make each step count.
Introducing Vobot, the world's first smart clock with Amazon Alexa, which you can set alarms, timers, check the weather, read news, listen to music, and more. Vobot is a revolutionary AI-enhanced voice interactive smart clock that helps you make the most of the day. It is very easy to set alarms with the Vobot. Just tap and say, "Set an alarm for 7 a.m. every day." To start the alarm, you could hold the screen for 3 seconds or shake. to dismiss the alarm. If you don't want to get up immediately, just flip VoBoat over and it will wake you up in 9 minutes. When you get up, you can check weather directly from VoBoat. How is the weather today?
Currently, in Los Angeles, California, it's 68 degrees.
When you're cooking, VoBoat is also very helpful. Set a timer for 3 minutes. Easy, quick, friendly, never miss the right time. VoBoat can be a music player at your party. You can access to any playlist from iHeartRadio, TuneIn, and Amazon Music. Except that, World Clock. Sleep sound. Customize alarm music. Shopping. Taxi. Smart home. More and more features have been added to VoBoat. All we want is to make your life more simple.